she sees Echo as very family-oriented naman, and you're an adult already, nasa marrying stage ka na din. What are your thoughts about that? Your mom saying na parang may signal naman.
Edi masaya. edi good. Kasi, actually, nauna sila magkatrabaho kasi yung scene. Siyempre, yun yung unang shoot nila. And hindi ako kasama doon. So, naunang mag-work si Mama tsaka si Echo. And she only had nice things to say about him. So, at least, okay lahat.
Alright.
Kasi magkasama kami, it's parang kakain lang dapat kami. And then yung dog namin, biglang ni-rush sa vet. Tapos yung pupuntahan namin, on the way yung vet. So parang sabi niya, daan ka na, check mo na yun. Tapos nung una parang, okay lang, parang baka ano, ganyan. Parang siya, hindi, check mo na. Tapos parang, oh yun. So yun, na-meet niya yung dog, yung daddy ko, yung mga sisters ko. And then that so happened to be like the same night of my brother's parang song launch. So, ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy.